Guys, I'm super excited. I just received the Crane 2S. I'm excited to open this. I want to see what's inside. I have literally no idea. I haven't even looked the information. So, of course, we're going to do a review, an in-depth review in the upcoming days. Also, a comparison versus the Rs2 by DJI and a few other videos. So if you're excited, stay, leave the thumb and sub because the next days are exciting. Okay, so here it is. I mean, let's see. Pretty big case though. Okay, so let me see how the hell I open this. Oh, look at how beautiful. Okay, let me see. The batteries, of course, chargeable batteries. Oh, the thing for charging the batteries. This is for bigger lenses, I guess. One of these double plate systems, I also believe. The actual plate. This probably is for attaching it to the camera. Cables and stuff. Oh whoa, so many cables. This is gonna be interesting to see the connectivity of this gimbal with our Sony camera. We'll see in the review. And this is the actual gimbal. I mean, look at how beautiful. It's not so heavy. I expected it really to be a little bit more heavy. Oh my God, it's huge. I mean, it's huge. I like it. When they do not have it too much, but they are huge, I really like this because it's solid and robust. And of course the tripod. And the most important, what would be an unboxing without... Just kidding, this was just a joke. That's pretty much it. Let's put it beautiful. Oh, sorry, I forgot this. Yeah, one of these knobs. I will see for what these are for.